Breath is the primary source of life and energy. No breath means no life. It is said that an average human being uses only 1/3 of his or her lung capacity. Today, we will learn some breathing techniques that will help us improve our lung capacity and also energize the body. A few other techniques that will help us relax the mind and body and get a sense of deep rest. Before we get on to the practice, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting content. Let's learn the abdominal breathing. Sit straight, cross-leg position. The most important thing while practicing pranayama is to keep the spine erect. So if you have any back issues, you may take a back support or sit on a chair. Feel comfortable. Place your right palm on your abdomen. As we inhale, we expand the abdomen, pushing the right hand out, making it big like a balloon. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. As you breathe in, expand your tummy. Remember to keep your eyes closed. Make your tummy bigger and bigger. And breathe out. Pull your tummy in, empty your lungs. Inhale, expand your tummy, make it big like a balloon. Exhale, pull your navel back in. Empty your lungs. Continue for 2 more rounds on your own. Make sure there is a smile on your face and face relaxed. Now let's do the thoracic breathing. Place your left palm on your chest. Remember, whenever we do any breathing technique, the attention is totally with the breath. Breathe in, expand your chest from the front, make it bigger like a balloon. Lift your upper chest a little higher, continue breathing in. And as you exhale, contract your ribcage and empty your lungs. Inhale, expand your chest. Make it bigger like a balloon. Lift your upper chest a little higher. Continue breathing in. Exhale, contract your chest. You may slowly relax your hands and continue breathing on your own. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, empty your lungs, contract your chest. Smile on your face. Now let's get ready for the lateral breathing. Place your palms on the sides of the ribcage. Sit straight. As you breathe in, push open the sides of the ribcage and push your hands away as you inhale. And as you exhale, contract your ribcage, empty your lungs. Breathe in, continue. Expand a little bit more, breathe in a little bit more. And breathe out, empty your lungs. You can relax your hands and continue for 3 more rounds. You may relax your hands and just feel how your body has started feeling lighter already. Now let's learn the Bellows breath or the Bhastrika Pranayama. You may sit cross-legged or come on Vajrasana, come on the knees, sit on your heels. Loose fist next to your shoulders, elbows gently touching the sides of the body, shoulders relaxed. We forcefully breathe in, take the hands up, open up the fist. And as we exhale, we drop the hands down, elbows come back to its original position and we make a fist. Breathe in, breathe out. Remember, the breath here is a little forceful than normal, both in inhalation and exhalation. Close your eyes. Let's do this 15 to 20 times in this round. Let's get ready for Bhastrika. Breathe in, fill the lungs, hands go up, open the fingers. And breathe out, drop your hands down, empty the lungs, make a fist. Inhale, exhale. Continue. In, out. In, out. Continue. In, out. In, out. Continue. In, out and relax. Palms on your thighs, facing the ceiling. Feel the prana or the life force increasing in the body. The whole body is getting energized. Be with that. You may do 2 more rounds on your own or just follow the instructions. Loose fist next to your shoulders. Elbows gently touching the sides of the body. Gentle smile on your face. Take a joyful breath in and breathe out with a smile. For Bhastrika, like a warrior, breathe in. Take the hands up, open the fingers, fill the lungs. Out. Drop your hands down, make a fist. In. Out. In, out. Continue on your own. In, out and relax. Observe the sensations in the body. On your own, you may do 1 more round. Feel the instant energizing in the body. Slowly you may come out of Vajrasana, back to Sukhasana, cross-leg position or chair. Energizing breaths are good to be practiced before any form of physical exercise or asana practice. Now let's learn some relaxing pranayamas. Let's learn the alternate nostril breathing or the Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. Chin mudra with your left hand, tip of the index finger and thumb gently touching each other, the other 3 fingers stretched out. Place your left hand on your left thigh close to the knee. Nasagra mudra with your right hand, the right thumb on the right nostril, the index finger and the middle finger gently touching in between the eyebrows, and the ring finger and the little finger on the left nostril. Unlike the Bhastrika Pranayama where the breath was more forceful, in Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, the breath is kept subtle and long. You can follow the instructions and do along with me. Nasagra mudra. Breathe in through both the nostrils and exhale through both the nostrils. Now gently close the right nostril and breathe in through the left nostril. Gentle, subtle, slow, long breaths. Remember to keep your eyes closed and shoulders relaxed. Attention fully on the breath. Now close your left nostril and exhale through the right nostril. Now inhale through the right nostril and exhale from the left nostril. Breathe in from the left nostril. Imagine you are smelling the fragrance from a flower. The breath is so subtle. Breathe out from the right nostril. Breathe in from the right nostril. Exhale from the left nostril. Attention totally on the breath or in between the eyebrows. Inhale from the left. Exhale from the right. Inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. Continue on your own. Repeat this for a few more rounds. Body totally relaxed. Continue breathing. One last round on your own. As you exhale from your left nostril, you may relax your hands and be with this sense of calmness. Now let's learn the Bhramari Pranayama, the humming bee pranayama. Now place your index finger on the small ear cartilage, the ear lid, and gently raise your elbows in line with the shoulders. Keeping your eyes closed, we take a deep breath in, and as we exhale, we make the sound in a long, elongated way. And as we do this, you may gently press open the ear cartilage. Spine erect. Keep your attention totally on the sound. Breathe in. Breathe in once again. Inhale. You may relax your hands. Feel the calming, relaxing effect on your nervous system. These are beautiful pranayamas that helps us to get better sleep and also get rid of anxiety and fear. You may continue to do some meditation along with Gurudev Shri Ravi Shankar. The link for the meditations are given in the description below.